giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So they already came to know about what was about to happen. So they fled to safety. So they ran away for their safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned, means they left their low-lying breeding areas. Okay, and zoo animals, they rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. They could not be enticed. They were not forced to come back out. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some people believe that they have sixth sense, but some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Okay, see, other people, they think, or experts, they think that animals, they have acute hearing habit, sense, which helps them to hear the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what was going on. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Pathanangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found. Carcasses means dead bodies of animals. They were not found except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Pathanangala beach. This proved that animals, they come to know beforehand than the human beings that a danger is going to approach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. That day his 2 dogs neglected to go out for a walk on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So this is how animals, they they come to know beforehand the approaching danger. So this is how we have come to an end of this chapter. I hope you have understood it. Please, children, go through the chapter one more time, read those stories, see these videos again and again. Okay, and we have come to an end. Thank you.